Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asfazia Biafni, and for my session is I want to briefing about the project. Okay, if a company wants a safe and secure workplace, it needs to require the elimination of risk and well-trained workers. Okay, for this project, we study about OSHA, which is Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Plays a role in maintaining fair and consistent working conditions. Okay, for the objective of this mini project is to demonstrate how industry introduce workplace safety and health measure. Okay, next is task distribution. My team have discussed that each our member need to be involved in the task, which is a make a mini meeting and create a slide presentation. And for the different and own tasks, we have been divided to 5 members, which is in my task I need to provide information on the project which I in charge in introduction. And for Tengku Muhammad Abkori is in charge in part A, and our leader Amir Muslim is in charge in part B, and Muhammad Iqbal is in charge in part C, and Nolisa is in charge in part D. Okay, next is background of the company. INDKOM Engineering Sedan Berhad first factory was developed in 1994 at Sungai Penchala, Kuala Lumpur. In 1994, the factory has been shifted to the Section 24 Shah Alam. This company is developing further with the presence of a second company which at Section 24 Shah Alam but a different place. For the third factory, INDKOM grows another company that based in the Section 16 Shah Alam in 2003. Okay, these are the products that have been created by this company. And for the service, INDKOM provide electrical switchgear design and maintain repair service. Okay, these are the technology that have been used in this company to build electrical switchgear. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tengku Muhammad Abkori. I would like to present on the facilities for occupational and health. For relevant act and regulation for this company, the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 aims to improve workplace safety, health and well-being, and protect individuals from work-related risks. The Factories and Machinery Act 1967 focused on regulating factories to ensure the safety, health and well-being of workers, including machinery registration and inspections for compliance. To protect workers, safety measures are essential. The Factories and Machinery Act 1967 mandates providing personal protective equipment (PPE). The Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 requires a safe workplace and the use of safety sign, first aid kits, engineering control, and administrative control, like work instructions, are also important. INDKOM Engineering Sdn Berhad made improvements, including a substitute safety path for pedestrian safety. For maintenance program, INDKOM Engineering Sdn Berhad, a manufacturing company, follows the Factories and Machinery Act of 1967, which requires regular maintenance and inspection. They conduct preventive maintenance to prevent failures and ensure safety, corrective maintenance for repairs after failures, and routine maintenance tasks such as cleaning and repairing equipment. And for communication tool available, INDKOM Engineering Sdn Berhad prioritize effective communication and clear work instructions to ensure employee understand and task management. They provide comprehensive safety briefings, regular training sessions, visual reminders, and encourage open reporting of safety concerns. Two-way communications and feedback are emphasized to create a cooperative and safe workplace environment.
My name is Amin Muslim bin Makjuso, and I will present on the type of hazard that might occur in INDKOM Engineering Sdn Berhad. So the first type of hazard is the electrical hazard. Since INDKOM engineering is well known about the electrical parts products, so the possible factor that might occur is because of faulty of wiring, improper assembly of electrical component, electrical supply testing. So for the preventive action that should be taken by INDKOM engineering is to establish a routine maintenance on the electrical equipment, and the second one is to conduct training to the workers, and the last one is to provide professional protective equipments to the workers. So the next hazard that might occur in INDKOM engineering is the mechanical hazard. So the possible factor is because of improper manual handling of machines. Next is the machinery and tool malfunctions, and the last one is the falling objects. So for the preventive action that should be taken is to INDKOM should conduct regular risk assessment and to provide training to the workers to avoid any accident happen. And the last one is to give an incident report to avoid any same accident occur again. In INDKOM engineering, noise hazards can occur due to the operation of machinery such as welding section, compact substation unit assembly, robotic operation, and distribution board testing. As we see in the slide, the worker is wearing the earmuff to avoid the noise hazards. And to prevent any accident of noise hazard occur is by to identify the noise level by OSH standards. The next one is to provide a perfect hearing protection. And the last one is to implementing engineering controls at the source. For the next hazard is the ergonomic hazard, which is can be considered as a crucial hazard. It refers to condition of factors that can potentially physically strain on the body. So the possible factor is because of the repetitive work activity and uncomfortable working positions. So to prevent ergonomic hazard is by he- promote healthy working environment and implement a job schedule breaks to avoid any ergonomic hazard. The last possible hazard is chemical hazard, which is might appear because of use of paints, coatings, and other chemical substance. The workers in line production may be exposed to harmful vapor and fumes from paints, and direct contact with it can cause skin and eye irritation. So for the preventive action that should be taken is to implement a suitable ventilation system to remove the vapors. The next one is to ensure that workers have access to appropriate personal protective equipment, and the last one is to establish standard operating procedures and guidelines for the painting process. That's all.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Rahman. Today I will present about the accident procedure. In the event of accident, a well-defined protocol ensures swift and appropriate action. The first blow starts with occurrent accident. Once this happens, the immediate step is to inform the supervisor or manager about the incident. This ensures that the responsibility is aware and can initiate the necessary response. Subsequently, an accident investigation is conducted to determine the cause, gather evidence, and analyze the circumstances surrounding the accident. The investigation is identify preventive measures that can be implemented to avoid similar accident in the future. Once the investigation is complete, an accident report is submitted, documenting the details, finding, and any recommendation action. The second flow is also begun with the accident recovery. However, the focus here is on providing immediate assistance to the victim, a witness, or any individual present at the scene checks an injured party, ensuring the safety and well-being. First aid is promptly applied to address any immediate medical needs and alleviate pain or discomfort. Depending on the severity of the injuries, the victim may need to be taken to the hospital clinic for further medical attention. Throughout this process, it is crucial to inform the healthcare professional about the accident, providing them with relevant details to aid in their assessment and treatment of the victim. By following this well-defined flow, organizations can respond effectively to accident, ensuring the well-being of individuals involved, promoting workplace safety, and preventing future occurrence. Immediate reporting, investigation, and documentation facilities a comprehensive understanding of accident, enabling the implementation of measures to mitigate risk and to maintain a secure working environment. Equally, important in the provision of timely and appropriate medical care, which contribute to overall health and recovery of the victim.
My name is Nurlisa binti Hamzan and I will present about OSH management system. INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad Company has implemented and maintained an OSH management system to comply with ISO 45001-2018 standard. The company also complies with all relevant laws and avoid occupational injuries and illness. This company provides continuous training and information to employees and continuous improvement of the occupational health and safety management system. Inspection, occupational health and safety policy of INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad, and certificates of ISO standards such as ISO 9001-2015 for quality management and ISO 14001-2015 for environmental management. There are many programs that INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad Company had implemented in order to ensuring the well-being of their employees about health, safety, and environment. One of the programs is collaborating with universities and agencies. The company engaged with local communities, supplier, contractor, and employees to discuss the issues, get input, and raise understanding of health, safety, and environment (HSE). Every day, INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad Company will foster a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging employee involvement, feedback, and suggestion for HSE enhancement during meeting. Supplier Quality Day is an event of importance of supplier quality and the development of strong relationship with supplier. Safety and health community in INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad Company assists in identifying potential risks and creating plans to stop accident and injuries at work. They can reduce risk and encourage a safer working environment by carrying out the routine inspection risk assessment and addressing safety issues. For awareness and training program, the company had a 5S program where it is improved the efficiency of workplace. Before the operating begins, each morning, every employee will be given briefing in order to remind them about safety. They provide visual signal that effectively communicate crucial safety information and put the sign properly designated fire escapes and evacuation routes as required per law. The company also provides training on fire drill every year to ensure they are familiar with emergency procedure. The company had training their staff to become a first aider. An organization of emergency response team of company will quick respond to any injuries happen in company. Several significant observations were made during the site visit to the INDKOM Engineering Sendia Berhad Company to evaluate their safety and health practice. Through the implementation of considerable safety and health measures, the company showed a great commitment to safeguarding the welfare of its employees, and the company is following the Occupational Safety and Health Act (OSHA) 1994. In conclusion, Occupational Safety and Health Act (OSHA) 1994 is crucial in any industry or business with more than 5 employees to safeguard the well-being and safety of the workers. Additionally, if the workers are healthy and safe, the manufacturing line will not be impacted and the product will not be delayed.